about Michael Flex and we yelled another live trading section for this gold, this XAUSD. Aside what he did to me last week, I found another entry this morning. So this is not the best of entries. It was being a limit order, but I was not sure if I was going to come down or to wait to this I respect this demand or this. So this is a very strong entry model as you can see. This is a free plus 6 zone. So this is a zone that has strong liquidity. So let me go to our 15-minute time frame. I see this was where we took the initial trade, or we took our that last trade. I see this was the nearest zone, and this was the extreme zone. When it came out to the extreme zone, it created a qualification and a break of stock just to the upside. So after it created that, he put back to this demand zone right here. We came down to for our entry model. So went down to a 1 minute time frame. And went down to 1 minute time frame. You can see so liquidity right here came down to this demand zone. This supply zone, it was sufficient liquidity from sellers. So they have enough momentum to continue to push price below to break out this low. It was not sufficient liquidity. So what did happen? Okay, a failed reaction. A reaction that was not that does not have a lot of liquidity to continue to push price to break this low. After it happened, destroyed liquidity below this low, still created our market shift. After creating our market shift, then it came back to this flip zone right here. This is our flip zone that we entered. This is a nice and make we entered instead of liquidity starting to the market. So as you can see, my other trade mistake was I did not hold. Later hit TP, but I did not hold. So we're in the trade right now. You can see right here. What I should concentrate. Concentrate. That's it. I'm gonna watch it play out. I don't want to monitor the trade, so I'll not impose myself bias into the charts. So I'll give you guys more information on it later. That is a good setup. So let's check what other of our pair also. Let's check our let's check EU. I was checking something on EU. So all this pair will do exactly what I want them to do. So EU one is I'm bearish until it comes down to this zone. Then I turn my bias to turn bullish. So right now I knew I was going to sell even this zone. I marked it out, but it was not my right timing. So it was very 6. I don't trade past 6. So I should have put an entry model when you expected this one right here. But it did, but not on the right timing. So this was the first zone. This is a consolidation zone. This is a supply zone here. So give to supply zone, created a double top pattern, came to aggressively sweep the liquidity that was above that high. You see the candlestick was very strong, and funny enough, it was around here, and I said that this too high, I got to come and get raided. Funny enough, they came to got raided, and price got to push all the way to this supply right here to continue the bearish momentum. So that's basically it. It's 2 pairs. So let's go back to our gold. Let's see how gold is going. Gold is making a minor replacement. At least now that I've chosen to choose. The body reacting to probably this one right here. This one right here. Body reacting to it. Can you tell me no? Because I was. I also targeted one is 4.5. But I'm not targeting one to 5.2 because of there's a lot of supply to the left hand side right here. First of all, price going to react to this. But when it's reacting to this, I don't expect it to react and gain momentum from here to take out my entry mode, my entry stop. So I think what's gonna happen is when price comes all the way here, go to replace a little bit, then push all the way at least to take out this high. So that's why my tip is all above this high right here. So I'm kind of like bright trade won't say that. It only says that newbies emphasizes on entry, we emphasize on exit because the money is not made until you leave the trade, until the position is closed. You have to understand that that's when the money is made. So you have to emphasize on that. You don't want to be too greedy. You want to trade. You want to see market as what it is. You want to be rational. You want to follow your system. You don't care about your emotion. So our goal as forex trader is to make as much money as humanly possible. While our job as forex trader is to follow our system. No matter the situation, we're supposed to follow our system. So that is what our job is as forex trader. So this is basically it. I'm gonna wait for this trade to play out. I'll give you guys more info on it. I want to do something. Oh, you have to understand that this infinite opportunity in the chat. So the last yesterday trade that I did not take on GJ that hit CP, I was not bothered because that was a low probability setup. But this one is a good and a plus setup. So I'm executing. You have to know. It's not only doing the art to trade. So I don't know why you be bothered about that. So the market will always present an entry model. But your job is to select the high quality one and execute the high quality one. Be rational. Don't give a fuck about your feelings. Feel me? So as you can see, price pulling back in order to fill these imbalances to the left right here. As you can see, the momentum is created such that the fair value gap right here. The imbalance with price has come all the way below to come and fill it out. So let's extend this right now. Acha, we'll be back with some information. So I also be my account is also on break even right now. Just let you know I'm on break even. So what you just as if I was thinking about taking two trades, but one SL, one break even. And break even I executed with 0.5. I was 0.5. That basically it. I'll get right back to you guys. Scroll out. Scroll out. Alright, yeah. I'll get a little bit straight. First, can see this was one other section open right here. So we getting a lot of push momentum. It continues to push price higher. So this is the one is the 4.5 without intending to go. That means you like this is how I feel. Yeah, let me know in chat if I should feel it. So guys, eat. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. As you can see, so the name beautifully well. Also, should I tell you guys that you don't see some level of supply that will be available at this point. But the level of supply is crazily active. You're gonna be able to like continue to push price low. So I'm gonna put my mind on this low right here. I'm looking at this low. If price closes above below this low, if I'm looking for a break even. I'm just looking for break even. So I'm fearing to lose. I want to look for a break even because what market is showing us that there's a high possibility that price will get our SL out. So we're gonna be trading what the market is showing us, not what we think the market is showing us. I'll also be streaming on Twitch, so you can check out my Twitch. I'm gonna put the link down below. I stream on Saturdays. I don't do trading review of everything. So that's basically it. I wanna make some bands on this one. Let's see how much we up. What even up policy to red? I don't know. Fucking hell. Let me see what it's showing. Yeah, she wants it to. Or like 152. Let's see. I think probably just consolidate around there, then get enough liquidity to push price. Bam, bam, or bam. Exactly what I want to see. Bam. I don't want to see consolidation and shake. I don't like shake. I want to see market get momentum and push to the upside. That's it. I'm gonna give you guys more information. This one happened so fast. So I'm also thinking about opening like a trading team. Oh, can be much your trade worldwide, like both young traders from all over the world. We just come together, we improve, we trade, people share their ideas and stuff like that. I'm also writing my book, which I don't know when I will listen it, by the grace of God, the book will come out like 2 years out, 6 years time. The book should be out. Oh, 2 years now. We release our book. So I know the noise is a little bit crazy out there than me. But that's just because the lighting is very, very good. So let's see what price does. I'm looking for an editor. Editor are not charging like what is crazy. It says like maybe I want someone that should like learn editing. Maybe like a couple of 10 minutes learning skills already. So the person has started job already. Even though it's not very high pay. Let's have my meeting manager, remember editing my video. I don't have time again to do that. I don't have to put video straight. Let's see what Eve is doing. See, EMA is doing. What did I tell you? But there's another setup on EU now. It's left for me if I want to take the setup. Which I want to take it. Let me keep using it. Right? be on another trade I'm on another trade. Yeah. I think I'm going to enter another setup. I'm not going to use 1% today, 100%. So we just sweat this liquidity right here. And so we have our market shift just took place right now. So this I analyze very easy, zoom out and mark out, set demand zone, this is how the price happened to it. This was the demand. Price came here, boom, it's bit and continue to sell. So this is the zone I will want to trade from. This is it right here. But this zone is already mitigated. So it's a this zone and this zone. That's why I just expect them to have 5 minute time for this one. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to be risking. Let me open the position, put a limit order and hit. I don't know if I'm going to get triggered on this one. So let's watch it out. So my system said that if I see 2 entry model in a day, I can execute it. So in a day, I'm going to get 1%. So will be our normal entry model 1 to 5.2. So alright, chat. Let's go to let's check it out. The momentum is too crazy, but I think if you react to it, I'm just going to open the position actually. So what are you seeing here? 14.6. The chat gonna watch me enter this one live entry trade EU. See 5.2. 8 0.48 what is 0.47 0.47 on EU. Alright, let's move our account to this point. We're going to execute. So what's the entry point? Up to 292. SL 15820 CP 15 6. So as can hear you ready? Boom. That was the setup. Oh my shit, I'm actually feeling fear. I don't know why. I don't like to feel fear. See, the price already reacting, but I don't know able to come up back to that place to react. So you can see what place the limit order right here. On EU and this pair. I want to let both of them play out. Not too much talk. And this one, this is more like a footing. This is a footing. This one. So I don't know which price we will expect, but we'll just have our answers on it. Yo, the fucking hell. You did not get triggered though. Oh my god. Oh my fucking goodness. Yeah, let me see something else. Good. You did not get triggered. And this shit made this amount of crazy move. Look at the best momentum, guy. The fucking hell. Yeah, see, at least I should have got this way. I should have got around it. Right now, we'll be in massive profit. Alright, we didn't get. I want to close the limit order. When price does kind of thing, possibly if it comes back to come and tap on your entry, go to sweep out you're not going to use liquidity that you use and maintain method. So as you can see, we did not get triggered. And the move was already closed. So I'm gonna have to close the limit order. And it's already closed to our TP already. So so I happen to do them fast. So then first, so we have updated it. This pair, maybe because I was not focusing on the pair. I think if I was focusing on this pair, 100% I would have gotten this entry. So That's just the power of technical analysis. We got the idea wrong, but we got the entry points wrong. So let's go back to our normal point. And this one we might be bang again. This one gaining some momentum. So it's good. Yeah? Right, yeah, we've gained a lot of momentum. So about to hit TP. And the funniest part, that price can actually come back all the way to this low to sweep all the liquidity below this low before it continues pushing to the upside. Though this is good, and this kind of similar thing that happened to me last week Friday. But right now, we're kind of like clean on it. About to hit TP, and this might be our first TP on the prop account. So let's see how it goes, gets play out. Stick with me. So on the EU, like I told you guys before, that should be crazy. I like to just when I'm trading, I like to take on that day, I like to just be on a one trade. I don't like to be on two different currency pair at the same time. Feel me? It looks for me, it looks like gambling. So let's see how this one looks and plays out. So we're going to moment a lot shit ton of momentum again. How fresh I am, making money. You feel me? So Tuesday. Guys, I was fine. Fanboy, call me fanboy. That's a fine. That's what I'm about. Call me fanboy. And that's not the name friends though. W to the chat. We'll let this one play out. Just the hardest thing about Forest is letting your winners run high. So my favorite jet is just pass them. Oh boy, Captain Jack. Take it easy. So the nice thing about traders, a lot of traders have faith when it's on their downsides. When price is going to their in the floating lows, you'll be like, it's possible that just after just stay sit and buy. But why don't we have that same confidence when it comes to bringing profit? So when I watch this play out, when I leave it throughout to run to full TP, I don't want to close, I don't want to edit nothing. So as you can see, discipline gets you this the power of technical analysis and psychology stability. Just so you know, the boy is making the bags. So I've done like a 1 to 3 already. So it's making I think a retracement, a short term retracement for continues to the both sides. I'm gonna go to my room right now. I'm going to stream. So what is it to sweep? Alright, chat. Peace off. Don't play. Yo, Chair, what did I tell you guys? There's a possibility that price come and sweep this low before it continues to be upside. But let's watch it roll out. I don't want to be impulsive. Yo, Chair, what did I tell you guys? The price will come all the way to this low to come and sweep the liquidity below this low. So I was more than fucking confident about it. But right now, I won't lie for you. I'm only feeling a little bit down, but not too down. Even I would took that EU trade, would have been in and out already by now. I would have made the fucking shit tons of money with that trade. Let me show you guys, bro. This shit tanked. Just imagine we took this trade, guy. It was so crazy. Eh? Shit tanked, bro. Shit tanked to the downside. So, story for you actually. You know, let's get the entry. That's just it. So we've learned from this trade. I think what happened, I would have. I don't think even if I was outside, I would have gotten this trade. I don't think I would have gotten tapped into the trade. You know what they do. So this is it. Well, our go trade is fucking up, but you have to keep having condition to your system. This will separate amateur from newbie. Amateur trader right now is scared. This thing come and hit my stop loss. I was this profit high. But us, we have total conviction in our system. We fully trust our system. I'm not talking out of what I've heard from other traders. I'm talking out of my back testing results. They are making the rightness out like all this shit out. I'm talking out of my back testing results. I've seen this thing played out shit ton of times. So now I'm totally like fearless upon my system playing out. So like I'll just let it do its thing. If it's take me out, let it take me out. I'm willing to risk. Before you enter the trade, you have to fully risk acceptance on the trade. Now I'm fully risk acceptance. I'll let the trade play out without fear and hesitation. Like this is what happened the other time. He came here and took me out the side bind. So it's testing you again. I also think he closed above this high also. So because these are just pulling back too much liquidity before it's pushed to the upside. Bro, this is fucking my emotion, gang. See, oh my god, don't fuck with me, gang. See, you what?
Was it not better if I took that E trade, then just leave this shit as pet to stop whining itself? Nah, hell nah, bitch. This pet have played with me a lot. This pet played with me a lot. Played with me a lot. Look at this beautiful setup. Oh, God help me. God help me. Look at this one. I literally read the chat for you guys. I like analyzed your phone. I did everything. I put the limit on that. You didn't get triggered because I was so focused on my goal. And this shit, oh God. But God is there fucking my emotions, man. But that's just it for you. I'm trading for you, man. I'm trading for you. I'm still so fucking confident. She might have stopped the liquidity side buying, right? That's what you play at. Next time I'm streaming is literally say hit stop loss or hit TP. I'm too tired.
Roger. Out of the trade. This one is another 2 times in a row. This thing is doing. I move up to the way crazy profit. I think what I'm going to if I start doing more is um I will stop targeting too high. Like I want to reduce my RR to 184. It's the it means because now as a kid I've come out of the trade already. Uh, it's so painful if it's in later buys that comes to my hit TP. And that is what I fucking messed my head. But that is it already. I don't want to be in the trade again because it's not looking good. It's close a bit below two lows. Like got a break of sometimes so liquidity it came down, we expect the supply zone again. And they can't come and take out this low again. Quite come and take this low again. Not looking good. Look quite looking like something that will just push it to be high and come and liquidate the low. So that is it. I think what have been a better trading was so was kind of like really break even. I just took like $12 out of the trade and I was up like almost 100. That is E though. Let's see. EU would have been a better trade. I think you see tanking down so fuck that shit. I was trading for you though. You win some, you make mistake in some, you hold some for too much. But that is just it being it. Alright. I need to be devastated, but I can't let this trade get to me. It's happened twice now. And it's just better for this setup to just come and continue go to gauge this low and continue doing that. Just buy from here. That is it. Screw out of the trade. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you guys got our videos, hit that follow button. Let's go.